Small cherries keychain. It's called Monkey's First Knotting Method. Take a thick cord and fold it in half to tie 4 snake knots. Add a 12mm bead. Wrap 6 circles lengthwise around your finger. Then circle it horizontally 6 times. Pull out your fingers. Pierce the hole with another thread and wrap it 6 times. From the beginning, slowly pull out the thread and tighten it. Generally, it needs to be adjusted 2 to 3 times. Finally, cut the excess threads and burn them. Stuff the thread inside. This will be more beautiful. The small cherries keychain is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. You can also hang it with USB. Now you can use it in your car keychain. Little cherries keychain can be used as bag hangers and key pendants.